And welcome back to Electric Bike Mark. On this video I'm going to be riding the Kingbull Ranger, as you see it right here. It is a 48 volt 750 watt motor with an 18 amp hour battery. And why I want to talk about this bike today, well, I think it's the best deal out there for 2026. So let's hop on and talk a bit about that. Hopefully we don't get wet, as we're about to get some thunderstorms here, but I'm taking my chances. So this bike, in my opinion, is the best bike I've seen out there for 2026. Okay, it's, first of all, the price is outstanding. Okay, right now the bike is $799. I have a $60 discount code that knocks the price down to $739. Amazing, unbelievable. And I dare anyone to beat this deal. Tell me if you think there's a better deal out there than this. This is an 18 amp hour battery, which you never get on a bike, especially at this price. The most you'll see is maybe a 14 or 15, or even less. And not only that, it has a full suspension as well. It's quickly becoming my favorite bike to rip around on. The only other one that I would pick over this one is a $4,000+ bike. But otherwise, I really like this bike a lot. I highly recommend it. Anyone that's looking for especially this style of bike, if you're into the moped style of e-bike. Let's see, what else can I tell you about this bike? So besides having full suspension, it does have turn signals. Unfortunately, the turn signals are only on the rear of the bike, and a lot of companies are doing that. I'm not sure why they only put them on the rear, because we could sure use them on both front and rear, because let's face it, the person in the front would like to see where you're turning as well. Yeah, this is outstanding. I mean, even without the $60 additional discount, at $799 it's a great deal, but boy, adding another $60 off. Yeah, if I was shopping around for a bike and didn't have this bike and wanted a new e-bike, especially Moped-Style, I would definitely go after this. Now, it is a Class 2/Class 3 e-bike. You can get up to a top speed of about 28 miles an hour. It also has hydraulic disc brakes. It's basically got everything you need. The only thing I would say is if you're looking for a real speedster, something that's going to go beyond 30 miles an hour, this bike is not it. This bike will keep you right in the legal zone though. You know, the legal speed. 20 by 4-inch fat tire. I absolutely love it. It weighs, with the battery, 88 pounds. I'm trying to remember the torque. I think it's 85 Newton meters. Somewhere between 80 and 85. It only comes in this one color of black, which is a really nice matte black. And it has a tan colored seat with a additional seat on the back for a secondary rider, a passenger, and also it has foot pegs as well for a passenger rider. Something else this bike has that's pretty cool, especially if you get out on a road where you're not turning or stopping a lot, it has cruise control. Right now I'm cruising along at 20 miles an hour exactly, but I have to lay on the brakes, so. And it's up to you about pedaling or throttling. I like to just throttle this bike, but if I'm on a path, you know, I'd certainly pedal it. You can pedal it, it's not like you can't, but I like this style of bike for just cruising around and having a nice relaxing ride. I'm going to adjust my speed here to get it up to about 20 to cruise in the cruise control. You got to hold it for, I don't know how many seconds it is, several seconds, maybe 7 or 8. And then it just automatically takes over the cruise control, which is awesome. Gives your hand a rest. And then if you want to give it a little more juice here, but yeah, I can't say enough about this bike. It's amazing. Like, what makes it really amazing is the price. I can't get over that. I mean, to be able to get a bike for under $750 of any kind, any e-bike, is outstanding. But to be able to get it for $739, and that includes shipping, it almost makes you wonder how the company's going to even make a profit, you know, really. You can't put together a do-it-yourself for that much, really. Say you can do it for the same price, well, you still got to put all the labor into doing it, putting it together. Yeah, having a full suspension definitely helps too. Even if it's not the best suspension in the world, just the fact that it has a suspension to give you a little bit of bounce there in the back, I'll take it. Some suspension is better than none at all, in my opinion. But like I say, if you know a better deal than this, for this kind, let's go with this kind of bike. It doesn't matter though, it can be any style, but especially a moped style, because that's what this is. Definitely let me know in the comments. I'm just cruising around right now because I don't want to get off. And it's not raining yet, so. I don't do a lot of night riding. I haven't done any night riding on this bike, but it does have a pretty good headlight as well. It's got the BMX style handlebar, which I really like. To get by all this again. I was all around here earlier, but I'm going around again. All right. We're going left. There's some pretty good storms around. There's been storms this weekend. And man, Oklahoma sure gets it. Feel for those folks, although we're not immune to it here, so. All right, let's crank it. So the bike, I should mention too, has 5 pedal assist levels. But I'm just throttling on this video. Going downhill, so it's picking up speed. I'm not even on the throttle at all right now. Yep, a steal of a deal. At this price. Amazing to me. Follow that car. See, it can even keep up with traffic. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that ride. I just gotta let you guys know about how good a deal this is. This bike, it's amazing. It's like this bike that's kind of a secret, I guess, but I highly encourage you to pick one of these up if you're interested in a moped-style e-bike for this price. Definitely 2 thumbs up in my book. It's the Kingbull Ranger. I do have a link in the description. I do have a discount code, like I say, in the description. And the discount code is Electric Bike Mark. Check it out. And yeah, let me know what you think about this Kingbull Ranger. And that's going to do it for this video today on Electric Bike Mark. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to leave a comment on this or any other videos that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave it on the comments below. Once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe, everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.